Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna download and synchronize the application for the Home Decorators Shades. The first step is to go to your Google Play and search for Home Decorators Collection. Here it is. Install the application. And it works on an Android and on an iOS. And this application will control these cellular shades. And it includes a remote. But if you want to use your phone, you can do that as well. It utilizes Bluetooth. So let's get started. See, here it is. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. And here are the requirements. So now that it has downloaded and installed the application, go ahead and open it. It gives you a tour. You can have different rooms. It tells you how to set up the shades. It actually lets you control halfway, all the way down, or all the way up. You can schedule it too. There's help on the application. It gives you videos to watch that they already made. Let's get started. Now it gives you the first option, adding a room. If you want to put maybe living room, so here you got a living room. Now you have to add a shade. You can put in here front of house. Has it been previously paired with this device? No. Now to pair it, all you have to do is press and hold the pairing button on the shade until it starts blinking. So let's do that. So here is the motor. Press it until it starts blinking. Okay, so now it's pairing. Once it starts doing that, then you can hit pair. Allow. Okay, so now it's asking you if you want to calibrate. If you want to calibrate it, you can do that. It gives you a warning. Let's calibrate. It says to hit start. It's asking you to set up the open position. So once it's all the way up, like it is right now. That should be set. And now it's asking you all the way down. And the first time you do this, it's gonna go little by little. Because if you go too far, it'll slam on the bottom. What you want to do is make sure that there's a small gap all the way at the bottom. Okay, so that's my close position. Hit set. Now, this is the midpoint. Just in case you want to open it halfway only. And you get to choose where you want it to be. You can choose there. You can choose maybe here, and you hit set again. And that's it, and you're done. Hit finish. Now here you have the room, living room. Now it's saying which one in the living room, the one in front of the house. Now where do you want it to be? Open, midway, or closed? Right now it's still daylight, so let's open it up. You want to do halfway only? Maybe you want to close it because it's late at night. Maybe you're watching TV and you don't want the sun. There. And if you want to schedule, you can schedule it for Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. You want to add an event, what you want it to do. Let's say you want to open it 7 in the morning, Monday through Friday. Save that. If you want to add another event, let's say if we want to close it at 8 p.m. There, you have close, open, or halfway. I want to close it at 8 p.m. So now you have 2 so far. At 7 o'clock in the morning, you want it to be open Monday to Friday. You want it to be closed at 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. You want something different on Saturday and Sunday, you could do that too. Make sure that you save the settings. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you and enjoy.